What's up, y'all? It's your boy, CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back at y'all again with another video. Hey, look, the family out here having fun, learning how to control drones. Oh, you almost caught it. Almost caught it. So far, my daughter did the best. Then you got my son. Then you got, honestly, Destiny, because she kept it right here. Then you got Orlando, and then I got the helicopter over top of the house. It's on the roof on the other side. So that tell y'all I did worse than everybody. There go D. All right, there we go. D like, all right, you ain't gonna talk about my sister got the best. I'm doing this. See? Now, when we get the one with the camera, I better not hear nothing. Oh, wait a minute. We might have to retract that statement. Did one of the police catch?
I don't know. But like it's wobbling. See?
Hey, baby, what's up? Where you going? Oh, he caught it. Oh, there you go.
We might just have another pilot.
There we go. Trend up, D.
He did the same thing I did. Now I don't feel so bad.
My fingers just want to do everything.
He's like Mortal Kombat. At the end, finish him. He's pushing all the buttons at all the time.
Uh-oh, who died? Which one? That you? Hit? Huh? That's you hitting the button for home or something?
I'm trying different buttons out.
That was you making it beep then?
Yeah.
Oh! Dive bombing.
It just went back.
He just took a whole dive bomb.
He was getting ready to take both their heads off.
I don't know what that button was.
I heard it start speeding up.
I don't know what that button is.
Oh.
I almost stepped on the bird.
Oh, yeah, we got a dead bird in the yard.
I mean, we got 5 of them across the street.
Hey, but Trent...
But there was definitely a baby bird massacre around this one.
Yeah, Trent... No, this is a big bird.
Yeah.
That's my
Like a
mother.
full bird.
That's the mama.
Yeah. That's the mama.
So the baby's across the street.
Hey.
I'm a little pissed about my screen over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
I see
You
it.
know what I'm going to do? Replace the screen. And I'm going to get a piece of metal. Like that mesh metal.
Yeah, so that way she can scratch the metal.
Yep. And knock my damn door. Shut up!
It like gets slow.
That dog is in a hot dog like a purebred asshole.
I was say, what the hell was that? He got heavy feet.
Why you so shitty?
It's full throttle and dropping. Yep, it's dying.
You gotta get the helicopter off the roof.
I gotta figure out where it's at.
Right there.
You see it?
No, it's up there. You gotta crawl across from here. You gotta get a ladder. Get the ladder and crawl across from here over the house to get the helicopter. I know. It was your daddy. It's always dad.
Found it.
You found it?
Can you not, like, put dents in my roof?
What's wrong? Crawl. Oh, damn. Wrong
Right
place.
in the bucket of water.
Did it? Watch it, Trent.
Damn,
Take
right
your
in the fire,
time.
too. Oh, no, Doodles, no. I don't like this. I want you to know my nose is very bad right now.
He on the roof. It should not fall through this brand new fucking roof.
really probably not brand new.
Good job.
The guy
What happened?
That's how it was.
Oh no, we twisted. We turned.
Yep.
Oh fuck. Oh, cause we landed on.
Straighten it back out. You'll be alright.
Yeah, this got rotated. That this got rotated.
It was already broke, but okay.
Where the remote at?
Give me a second.
Something with the oh.
What did I do?
Oh.
What happened?
It's not just broke, it's not.
Someone go grab the remote from the front.
How'd it get
Get
around the
off
front?
the roof.
God damn. Oh,
You done fucked it up.
Someone go grab the remote from the front.
damn. That really.
Yeah, that's what you said.
That really broke.
I could use it.
Let me see.
Not anymore.
Oh yeah. There's a little lamp. Oh goodness. Hey, this is the first day out, it seemed like to me, and since Christmas, that thing has been played. But he say he been playing with it. I don't know.
Play with this green one.
I don't know about that one. The green one good though. But that helicopter, see, green one good, y'all. The helicopter though, it hit that goddamn roof and was like snap, but it was already broken. It wouldn't have just snapped like that. You know what I mean? But it was fun. Now we gotta wait till the green one get charged again.
I'm gonna see if I can pull it.
So I'll catch y'all in a minute.
So why are you playing up there?
It's moving. Damn, you gonna run me over, bro.
Hell
yeah, gotta get
out the way.
That's damn shame. You ready to run me?
Swear to God.
Whoa! That was pretty good though.